How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is the hashtag Mustang 60 group build hosted by this guy right here. Everybody knows him. Scale Speedworks right there. Look there. Awesome card. Alright, so before we get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. And I'll never ask you for a dime, guys. I don't need no support. If I mention anybody in this video, I always leave a link in the description below. Always. And my email is always down there if you need to get a hold of me. I might not always respond very quick, but I will get to you. Y'all know that I went back to a third shift, and I'm not having the time to watch as much videos and everything and stuff, but I'm trying. And yeah, it is what it is, guys. It sucks, but that's what I got to do. Is what I got to do. All right, now I want to thank Mike. Thank you so much for putting this group build on, guys. And if y'all are not subscribed to Mike, please get over there. Scale Speedworks. This dude is awesome. He can build anything. He's very talented. And man, he had a great idea. I mean, Mustangs. I love Mustangs. Group build. Heck yeah, I'm in. So thank you, Mike, for hosting this. And if you're watching this, I guess it is the 17th. So, alright, let's get this started. Alright, in front of you is the Mustang that I built. It was the new release of the AMT 1966 Ford Mustang GT Fastback, and they retooled it. It was originally, released back in 65, 66. They restored all the parts, did this, did that, thank you, round two. You're doing a great job. I don't care what anybody says, you're doing a great job. Thanks for bringing these vintage kits back, retooling them. I can't thank you enough. I'm not a kit snob. Love them. I grew up with this stuff. I love it. Okay, but with that being said, he last year he put this group build on, and you weren't supposed to do the final until the 17th, which is actually the 60th anniversary of the Mustang. And when he announced this group build, yeah, I had it done within like the first month. So here it is, 11 months later. I'm finally getting to do my final. Thank you, Mike. Woohoo! Thank you. Well, let's move this thing out of the way and let me shut my gap and show you what I've gotten done. Or what I did. Here she is. Look at there. Boom. My 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now, it's not a GT now. This is what you call a secretary's car. Your wife's car. Your not so manly man car. This one here is a bone stock 6-cylinder car. Yes, sacrilege to you guys. Sacrilege. But I did it. You know why I did it? Because I bought several of the kits. So, hey, why not do one a 6-cylinder? And another reason is because it's my kit. I can do what I want. Like Cartman say, I do what I want. So, there you go. That's the reason why I did it. And two, I think it'd probably maybe piss a bunch of people off. I really don't know. That car don't need no 6-cylinder in it. But you know what? Yeah, it does. It sure does. I guarantee you there's probably more 6-cylinders produced than actual V8 cars, if you really want to know the truth about it. But hey, there she is. Look at her. Nice and shiny. Oh, like it. Y'all get a little whoop-de-doo around there, and then we'll take this off here and we'll dissect what I done to it. Hope you like it. So I sure do. And that's really all that matters, is that I like it. But I hope y'all do like it too. Here we go, guys. Let's show you what we got going on. Okay. You can see the hubcaps. Stock hubcaps. Painted the ring around the outer to make it look like the hubcap is on the wheel. painted in the hubcaps. You can see there. It has no emblems on it. You can see I put two-tone the interior with a kind of the color of the car and then a darker blue. And then I even carpeted it with a dark blue carpet. Not that you can really see in here. I can't remember. I should still have the steels. If I still have the steel pictures, they'll be at the end of it. Hopefully I do. I can't remember if like I said, this has been 11 months ago that I built this car. Hopefully my pictures are still in the computer and I didn't delete them by mistake. So if they are, stick around. There will be pictures at the end. If not, I'll just do still pictures of this at the end and that'll be it. But you can see the front of it. Has absolutely nothing to say V8 or anything like that. Here is the bottom of it. And if you look at the bottom, I used a vintage 1966 chassis that I had in the parts box. See, I even put the screw bottoms in it like it would have been an original. It has a single exhaust. That's the way the chassis come. And then I put the 6-cylinder in it. You can see there, I resin cast the Johan 6-cylinder engine out of the stock Maverick. And boom, there she is. Wired the battery. I did the heater hoses, top bottom heater hoses. I did the radiator hoses, top bottom. Wired it. I even put a fuel line going to the carburetor from the fuel pump. Wired the battery. Made those braces. Even though, you know, underneath the hood's not correct the way it should have been, you know, because you can see right there it's got wheel humps in it and stuff. That's not the way a Mustang is. But, you know, I tried to decorate it up and make it look good enough. But I hope you like it. I do. When I went to school, there was a girl in high school here in Boonville that had this exact car. This is the reason why, another reason why I did this car, because it brings back memories. She had this exact car. It was 6-cylinder, 3-speed automatic. It was exact color, wheels. Yeah, her car looked just like that. That's what her high school car was. And actually there was another guy in high school that had the 66 Mustang Fastback, and it had the 289 in it, but he had the GT stripes on it, which I don't believe it's an actual GT. I could be wrong. But so there was two of them when I went to school. And then when me and my wife got married, I owned a 66 Mustang, but it wasn't the Fastback. It was the regular. And mine was that maroon color. It had the GT stripes at the bottom. But mine wasn't, like I said, it wasn't a Fastback. But yeah, car brought back memories. I figured I'd build it. Can't remember the girl's name that I went to high school with. But yeah, there's her car. I think she looks pretty good. Tell me in the comments if you like it. Tell me if you like the 6-cylinder in it. If you don't, tell me you don't like it. I don't care. You know, that's, everybody's got an opinion, and I do believe everybody should have an opinion. Shouldn't nobody be censored here. Tell me what you really think about it. I love it. That's what I think about it. Stick around. There will be pictures at the end. Whether the build pictures are there or not, I don't know, but I will have pictures of it at the end. So, alright guys, love you guys. Thank you. Go subscribe to Mike right here. That was an awesome idea, and I hope he carries this group build on every year. I know it won't be like hashtag Mustang 60, because 60 would already have passed, but you know, the Mustang group build would be cool. And like I said, here's the kit that I built right there, if that's what you want to know what I used. A resin 6-cylinder, and boom, there you go guys. And actually that's a full kit. That's still got a model in it. It's just the only box I could find at the time. But there you go. Stick around, pictures will be at the end. Love you guys, and remember, what would Jesus do?